Hey, this is my electronic QR code puzzle. Let's turn it on and try it out. Aha! Okay, so we got our first QR code, which will give us a clue. Let's give that a scan. It says, flip me over. Press the button to continue. So I'm going to press the button. Alright. And I'm going to flip it over. Ah, that means it's registered that. There we go. Now we got our next one. Let's see what it says. Here it goes. 2 buttons, but 6 ways to press and release them. Press the button to continue. Alright, so you can pause the video and see if you can figure that out for yourself. Basically, there's 2 buttons, but 6 ways to press and release them. So see if you can figure that out. Alright, now here's the answer to that. So I'm going to press a button to continue. So we got a 0, that's just this one. And that's a 1. What about a 2? Have you figured out a 2 yet? It'd be like this. How about a 3? It's just the same thing backwards. 4. Like that. 5. We got 1. 3. 0. 4. Oh, I got that wrong, so I gotta start all over again. So you see how that works now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now 3, 3, 3, 4. Oh, I got that wrong again, so I gotta start over again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 1, 3, 1, and that solved it. Alright, and there's our next QR code. See what it is. There we go. It says system error. Please reset power supply. Okay, well, let's reset it. See what happens here. Alright. Waiting for it to come back on. Is that a different QR code? It looks like it, doesn't it? Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, now it says, I'm feeling a little hot. Press the button to continue. What could that mean? I'll let you try to figure that one out for yourself for a little bit, so you can pause the video and see what you can think of that. Alright, so I'm going to press the button. The answer to this one is we got to put it in the fridge. So let's do that. Alright, in we go. Sure. Alright. So now we just got to wait for it to warm up a little bit and stop beeping to give us the next code. Alright, so now the beeping stopped, it's warmed up and everything. See what this other QR code is. And it's a video, but I think I know what it is. Yeah, it's the Rickroll. Yeah. That's all it is. See you on the tube. Oh, by the way, it won't turn off with the button now. So I have to actually do this. See you on the tube.